public school.
Okay, Parvi, what is the date today?
Today is 15. Today is 15 December 2020.
Very good. Which letter have you done today?
R.
What is the sound of letter R?
E.
फिर से बोलो. Yes. Okay, now read, trace and write.
Please.
Tell me, what is this?
Gold. Gold.
What
Rat.
is
This is rat.
which sound is coming? Letter कौन सा आ रहा है?
Rat.
Very good. Letter.
Letter I.
Yes. What is this?
I.
What is this? पहले मुझे पिक्चर तो बताओ.
Rabbit.
Yes. Sound.
Rabbit.
Very good. Letter.
Letter I.
Which picture is this?
Low. This is loose.
Which sound is coming? Sound.
देखो
Letter.
letter I.
What is this?
Rain.
Which sound is coming?
This is
इतना बड़ा नहीं है बेटा. बस. Rain.
rain.
Yes. Which letter has the sound?
Rain.
Letter.
Letter I.
Very good. Now write down letter R.
Okay.
How will you write it?
Stand drawing. Curve. Old slanty line.
Very nice.
Stand drawing. Old curve. Old curve लिख लो.
नो हो गया ना ये वाला. नेक्स्ट में बनाना अब.
This is la I.
Yes.
This is I.
Very good. Now make it yourself. Standing line. Yes.
पहले curve.
Hmm.
ठीक है. पहले slant.
Nice. Make it again. Next one.
Next two.
And say it. This is
This is
letter.
Letter I.
Very good. Nice. Here also. Fast, beta, fast.
Small. Small बनाया. Where is small?
Make it